So I am here in Revit with my imported plan. So I will try to use these lines to retrace the work on them. So first I will start with my walls and choose wall architecture. Now you have the opportunity to choose what you have walls, but I will go with exterior wall, which is the generic that I have created in this template. Once I click here, I will have the opportunity to choose from where these walls are starting, from level 1 to level 2. It will give me as a default, so it is okay for me. And I will now try to draw over these walls from level 1 to level 2. But if you have other plans or such as first floor plans, you have to play with that and you have to add levels to what you want. And also, as you see, I have here a green tab here. You can control the drawing from here. For example, the location line, which is the wall center line or core center line or exterior interior. You have the opportunity to choose from these. We will talk about that separately in a separate video about walls, but for now I will try to draw from the wall center line, and I have the opportunity to pick the lines. So I have these lines from AutoCAD, so I will pick these lines to draw over them. Once I have that, you can see that I can pick this line. So let's try to change that from wall center line to maybe exterior. So once I click that, you can see that I override these walls by that. But let's check what is the thickness of these walls and then try to adjust our walls, because I see that there is something here. So maybe you can press TL to see that you have also the thickness is more than we have. So I will try now to go to modify and annotate and measure our walls here. So you have 30 centimeter, for example, but for that it is 35. So I will go here and click and select our walls and go to edit type. I will duplicate that. Maybe you can rename it as exterior wall for this project, single house, for example, and click OK. And I will go to structure, edit, and try to have finish and structure. So maybe you can also give a finish, for example 10, and it will have 30. And once you click OK, you can see that our walls adjusted with the walls in the imported AutoCAD. So I will try to now to create similar and then click all over the way like that, and now after that you can trim and extend these walls simply by using the trim and extend to corner in order to close the area that we have for this house, such as like that. So now if I went to the 3D, you can see that I finished the walls of this single house. And for now, let's add the interior walls with the same procedure. So I want to go to architecture, wall, and try to maybe choose this interior wall in this template, and then I will go with the same procedure and pick lines, choose exterior. It will be exterior as default because it is the last thing that we have chosen, and then I will try to make something like that, pick the lines from the AutoCAD. There is no need to choose this one because I will extend it here. I think we have done. So maybe now we can use the trim extend single element or multiple if you have multiple, I will choose this one and extend this one to here, and choose this line and extend this to here. So by that we finished the interior walls for this small single house.